Jay Watala here with WB Tool News, and today we are talking Dirteeze industrial wipes. Here it is, the Dirteeze industrial wipe, and I can tell right off the bat that these things are stronger than your average wipe. There's a rough side for scrubbing and a smooth side for wiping clean. Now, let's jump into the demo. We've picked up a few of the more difficult materials to clean up on the job site. Here, we have some multi-purpose grease, paint, and some of the really sticky stuff, silicone sealant. If you've ever tried washing this stuff off with soap and water, well, you know how that works. The problem is, these are non-water soluble materials, so washing your hands with soap and water is only going to make a bigger mess. Dirteeze includes a number of skin-safe agents that are specifically formulated to break down the grime and lift them from the surface. These wipes are made from a spun-lace material that is super durable and won't lint up with use. As mentioned, there is a smooth side and a beaded side. The beaded side is great to get a bit of friction going and work that gunk off. The beauty of these wipes is they don't just smear the mess around, it picks it up and takes it off. And just like that, my hand is nice and clean. These wipes are formulated with several moisturizing ingredients, including lanolin and aloe, so that your hands don't get all dry. What separates these wipes from the pack is not only are they great at cleaning up messes, they also include Benzalkonium Chloride, which is an FDA certified hand and surface sanitizer. Now sometimes cleaning up surfaces can be even more challenging than cleaning up your hands. I come in with the beaded side first, make sure I get all the gunk off, flip it around, and clean up the rest. Easy as that. This wipe locks in the mess for clean and easy disposal. These wipes are super tough and will clean just about anything with ease. If you're like me and like to get your hands dirty from time to time, I encourage you to grab a tub for your shop. If you found this video informative, go ahead and check out our other videos over here. And until next time, keep it clean and stay safe.